Good morning, everyone. It's Friday. Yay! We made it through week 2 of VLP 3.0. Today in literacy, we'll be learning about the reading strategy of text to self by reading a story together to find out if anyone in our class has a connection to the story. We will also be reading next week our first Reading Street story of the week on Monday. When we meet at 10:45 today, we will be doing a lesson on expanded form. And then during independent work time, you will use that time to complete the math assessment on wiser.me, or you will complete your RASKid assessment, or you will complete your project of the week. Remember, fill in your reading log, the digital reading log that I gave you on Monday, so that you can submit it at the end, which is today, Friday. All right. We'll see you soon. 8:30.